The K4 Edge Smart Drive is honestly one of my new favorite toys and is a direct competitor with the super popular Bixby K1. So today we're going to talk about this new little device. We've got plenty of tests. We attached it to a paddleboard, rammed it around the pool, and of course we took it to the lake and attached it to a kayak. So everything you've ever wanted to know about the K4 Edge Smart Drive is going to be in this video. And it's pretty sweet. I was honestly pretty skeptical when they reached out wanting to send this to me because the closest competitor is sitting right next to me, which is the Bixby K1. This is the Bixby K1. I absolutely love this system and it has been great on my inflatables. But this cost $1,400 while the K4 Edge Smart Drive, this sucker only cost, with the battery, $570. Now I do have a 10% off discount code. I'll have to put it in the description if you're interested. And that brings us down to about $510. And I have a 5% discount code for Bixby, but even with those discounts, I mean, this is clearly a fraction of the price. So needless to say, I was pretty skeptical, especially since it's way less money. It weighs pretty much the same, yet it can still turn left and right. And the remote has a full screen showing you your amp draw, your RPM, your speed, your odometer, total trip, your volts, your amps, battery remaining on your remote, and battery remaining on your actual battery, which is right here, which is a waterproof battery. And I believe it is a proprietary battery, but there are a bunch of different options, and the $570 price range comes with of course, the unit itself, the remote, and this battery right here. This battery right here is going to be able to run it wide open for 33 minutes, and that's wide open. And this has a top speed of 6 miles per hour, although when I had it on my fishing kayak, I got 4.5 miles per hour, which is actually really, really impressive for such a light package. Now to put that into perspective, I get a wide open runtime of, I believe, about 30 to 40 minutes also on my Bixby K1 with a significantly larger battery. I do believe the top speed was a little bit higher. This is not a Bixby versus K4 video, but I do want to put into perspective that, I mean, we've got about the same weight, we've got very similar performance, very similar runtime, except this is $1,400 and the K4 is like $500 with the battery after my discount. Also, you can't turn the Bixby left and right. It is fixed. It is fixed in place. And they're pretty much similar size. This motor is actually significantly lighter. In fact, it's only about 2.2 pounds, which is really, really insane. Now, the Bixby is about 30 pounds of thrust, and this is about 22 pounds of thrust. So I'm not gonna be using this in the ocean. I'm not going to be using this in a super, super fast moving river. But you know, getting 4.5 miles per hour out of it with my kayak is extremely, extremely impressive considering I had a $5,000 Old Town Autopilot 120 that maxed out at about 3.5 going full speed. So this is significantly faster than any trolling motor on the market. Also, apparently it has cruise control, which is something that the Bixby doesn't have. Some of my trolling motors has cruise control actually. And I believe it's a 450 watt motor. In fact, I have an E-Propulsion E-Lite electric outboard that retails for about $1,200. I'm not gonna go get it, it's in its carrying case back there. But you know, that's a $1,200 motor that has a max runtime of 40 minutes, weighs 17 pounds, and is significantly more expensive. And it goes the same speed. So same speed, this is way smaller, way cheaper. I don't get it. And it just works. You'll see later when we get on to the different bodies of water that we test in today's video, that it just works. All right, so that's pretty much all of the features, all of the specifications of this battery. Now let's hop into the pool where I'm going to kind of show you how easy it is to install. And then finally, we'll hop into a real life fishing scenario on Table Rock Lake and we'll see how it looks on one of my favorite inflatable fishing kayaks. All right, so here's what's so cool about this motor is that you've got the regular paddleboard backpack right here. And this one has rollers, but you've got the paddleboard right here. But the unit is so small and lightweight, you can fit the motor, the remote, and the battery in there and not even notice the weight or really how much space it takes up. Even the battery is really, really small. So that's the whole thing, and it attaches to this fin right here. So we're gonna blow it up, install the motor, and run over that guy. What?
I just can't believe you're gonna do this.
Yeah, that looks great. Fits right in. Right into the removable fin slot. Cool. Isn't that cool? All right, you got left, you got right,
you have forward, kind of like a longboard, and then you have reverse. And it actually works really, really well. And then you've got other buttons right here that I have no idea what they do. Oh, they actually adjust how straight it is. So you can like recalibrate it depending on your particular vessel. That's awesome. This thing is sick.
Oh gosh.
This one's on the house, folks. Oh, okay. Buddy. This moves pretty good.
This is hat backwards action here.
God. Reverse.
There it is.
Oh! Watch your noggin.
Make love to that board.
You next? Riding like that next?
On the board? Yeah, this is all kinds of games.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh god.
Gosh.
This is too much fun. Someone take this away from me.
Nope, we like it.
Move around in circles.
Okay.
You can't really. Oh, about tipped him.
This is so much fun.
All right, finally made it out to the lake. We are on beautiful Table Rock Lake in Branson, Missouri. And I just did a little speed test here, and we are actually going 4.5 miles an hour, only a tad bit slower than the Bixby K1. And for like $500-600 bucks, this thing is nuts. The turn radius is great. You have left, right. Look how fast it turns. And then of course, once we come to a stop here, got the Edge Smart Drive. It goes in reverse, of course, left and right as well. And then let's say like you got more weight to this side versus the other side, you can actually use these buttons to adjust where it's going left or right. So if you just hold it down and you can like turn it left or right with these arrows, but it'll keep it there, which is pretty awesome. How sweet is this? This is insane. Oh my gosh. This is really, really cool. I'm blown away. Honestly, I think for the price, being at the $500 to $600 range is absolutely a game changer. And the fact that you can turn left and right on a dime. I mean, it's a pretty powerful system. Like, there's a lot going on here. This is so much fun. I'm really shocked. I thought we might get 2-3 miles an hour out of this, but no, 4 to 5. And that is really, really impressive. Going wide open right now. So incredible. Absolutely love this thing. This is the perfect lightweight backpack boat setup. This kayak and this motor. This weighs nothing. Just go fishing. And you can get multiple of those batteries. You just stack a couple of those bad boys and you're set.
You do this forever.
Yeah, isn't that fun?
As you can see, I am surprisingly, seriously, a huge fan of this. I don't know why I would ever use my Bixby when I can turn left and right so well with this motor. Now, I love my Bixby, and it probably is, you know, if I had to pick one to last me for 10 years, you know, if I just had to guess, it would probably be the Bixby. It's a tried and true product. It comes with a warranty, and it overall is just an incredible product. But We'll see how this holds up over time because I'm definitely going to be using this in the slow moving rivers in these smaller lakes and the bigger lakes in my area. Just down the road, I have a couple boat ramps to different medium-sized bodies of water, and this is going to make my kayak actually usable. Anyway, that's the K4 Edge Smart Drive. Make sure you subscribe for the latest and greatest, coolest products in boating, paddleboarding, kayaking, whatever, general outdoor reviews. We do e-bikes, e-scooters, all that fun stuff. As always, guys, all the glory goes to our Father in heaven. Tight lines and God bless. Also, I'm sorry for this angle. I'm testing out the new chairs and a new boat that I'm gonna review here soon on the channel. It's the Sea Eagle paddle ski. Anyway, tight lines and God bless.